If you've ever wondered how to check the file size of each slide in PowerPoint, this tutorial will show you a simple way to do it step by step. This is especially useful if your presentation is getting too large, if you want to find which slides are taking up the most space, or if you need to optimize your PowerPoint file before sharing it. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to run a macro that creates a folder on your desktop and lets you view the size of each slide individually. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more useful PowerPoint tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open the PowerPoint file that you want to check. Once your presentation is open, go to the View tab, then click on Macros. This will open the macro window where you can create a new macro for this task. In the macro name field, type Sizer. This is the name we'll use for the macro, so make sure it's spelled correctly. Next, in the section below under Macros In, make sure your PowerPoint file is selected. This is very important because the macro needs to be created inside the correct presentation. After that, click Create. PowerPoint will now open the Visual Basic macro window. In that window, replace all of the existing code with the code you've been given for this tutorial. Paste it carefully and make sure nothing extra is left behind. This code is what will generate the folder on your desktop named Sizer and prepare the slide size information for you. Once the code has been added, close both windows by clicking the Close button 2 times until you are back in PowerPoint. Now go back to the Macros option again. Select the macro you just created and then click Run. PowerPoint will execute the macro, and after it finishes, a new folder named Sizer will be created on your desktop. Now go to your desktop and locate that folder. Open the Sizer folder, and inside it, make sure the folder is set to View by Details. This is the easiest way to see the file size for each slide one by one. You can scroll through the list and check which slides are larger and which ones are smaller. If you want, you can also right-click on a specific slide file and choose Properties to view its exact size. This gives you another quick way to inspect individual slide file sizes. And that's it. You've now learned how to check the file size of each slide in PowerPoint using a macro and a desktop folder. This can help you identify heavy slides, manage presentation size, and make your file easier to share. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.